Hi there, and welcome back to our ranch today. We've been shopping today for some cacti that have been on sale at Lowe's. And we found these little stands that you write the names of them right here at an antique shop. So we've got 3 of them. So we're going to be planting these up today. And you can write on these with chalk. I believe I'm going to try to write on them with an ink pen that is paint pen, I guess you would say. Now this one is they call it a fried chili, and there's a longer name that I cannot pronounce. So we're just going to write on here. Got our first one down. I don't know if you can see it. Good at writing upside down. So we've got our label on them. So let's put some cacti potting mix in our little pots. And we'll see if we can get these out of here without poking ourselves. It didn't need so much dirt, did it? I'm gonna shake that off so it won't be on the little cacti. So we've got one end. And this is the little yellow one. They are so cute. But they are sticky little fellas. I'm gonna rake some of the dirt off the table. Soil, I should say. Isn't that really cute? And the pots I have will not fit right here, so we've got to get a different size. So let's get the other one and pot it up. And we're just going to do the same thing. Put some soil in. And this one's really cute. I don't think it's going to poke me quite as bad. Make room for it. Don't want to waste dirt. I believe you only water these when they feel dry. Now we have the sedum, the gold dust sedum, and 2 of them don't look too good. So we're going to use the 2 in the middle. And you don't want to touch these too much. They say it kills them. Blow that dirt off of them. Okay, let's write the name on these. And this one is called Hybrid Ghostly. We got the sedum gold dust and the hybrid ghostly. our last pot right here. And we're going to put in, ooh, this is called a mimicry plant, but isn't it just the cutest? We also have, this is called a split rock, but isn't that just the cutest as well? So let's write on here what these are. It's a mimicry plant as well. We've got those all potted up. Let me clean up my table and then we'll set them up so you can see them. There's one with the mimicries. A hybrid ghostly, excuse me. And the sedum gold dust. And then we have our cute little, aren't those so pretty? They look good all together. Well, thanks for joining me today and potting up our new cacti. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.